if there is a terrorist who's from Pakistan, what caste will he be? Nowadays, these new kids, they don't do a two-hero film. They're quite insecure because of, I think, because of their talent managers. It was not easy to hold on to that too when you're getting offers. You're getting good offers from OTT. Controversy can happen with anything. And I know them very well now. Okay, this is my audience. This is the segment who will love the film. This is the segment who will not like the film.
So I'm here with a person who has got people back in the theatres after the big lockdown. Thank you for that, Rohit.
Thank you so much.
पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए, as a producer, as a filmmaker, to hold on a film, you know, for 2 years, जबकि वो एकदम ready है release होने के लिए. What was that anxiety? What was the financial part of it? Tell me about that.
It was a long battle. It was not easy to hold on to that too when you're getting offers. You're getting good offers from OTT to release it on OTT, and there's nothing wrong in it. But I was like, Suryavanshi needs a theatrical release. If there was some other film, I would have given a second thought to it. Many people told me, you're doing a wrong decision. As a producer, this is not the right decision. You should just, if you're getting such a great offer, move on in life. But I was like, no, I will fight till the end. And let's see what happens. I've made 14 films. This is my 15th film. क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगी. मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊँगा लाइफ में. We made one more film in between, Circus. And I was like, no, but the Suryavanshi has to come in theatre. Because it's not only about me. It's about the theatres. I think because we never give importance to the people who are working in the theatres, the employees in the theatres. You know, if I tell you, there are more than 40,000 people, and they've been hit the most. You know, in the pandemic, everyone from all walks of life, people have been hit very badly, but we have to think for them also. And at the same time, I thought that, you know, that whole thing of, okay, theatres won't revive now. And I've been hearing this since I was a child, since I was a teenager. Like when VCR came, when VHS was there, that time the same thing was like, अब theatres तो बंद हो जाएंगे. When multiplex came, it was like, अब single screen or commercial films नहीं बनेगी. So people are here to talk. It's about your conviction. And I had a faith that it can't go wrong, because if theatres are shut forever, that means schools are shut forever, that means all festivals are shut forever, and that's not going to happen. The universe and God can't be that cruel. And yeah, here we are sitting in the theatre today.
आजकल हम देखते हैं कि कोई भी फिल्म रिलीज होता है, कंट्रोवर्सीज ऐसे होना, मतलब कभी भी कहीं पे भी कंट्रोवर्सी, आपको समझ भी नहीं आएगा कि ये बात पे कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई, you know, stuff like that. So how, when you are releasing a film, is that a stress that अब क्या होगा? Is that always a stress?
No, it's just that you need to be careful. I keep my audience in mind. Controversy can happen with anything. You know, people don't, there are myths. No, I won't say that everyone, but few want that kind of a controversy to happen so that they get publicity. And 90% we don't want that stress when a film is releasing, because there's too much at stake. But you can't help it. If it happens, it happens. For me, my audience is important. That I know there is a set of people who like my film. There is a set of people who don't like this kind of cinema, which is absolutely fine. But people who love the cinema, what am I catering to them? And how I make them comfortable. Whether they are watching the film in theatres, and when after a few months they will watching the film on Netflix, and after a few months they will watching the film on Z, on satellite. So how they are comfortable when they are watching the film at home. You know, so my target is just my audience, and I know them very well now. Okay, this is my audience. This is the segment who will love the film. This is the segment who will not like the film. And I've catered that, and by the grace of God, that segment is quite big for me. So I cater them. That's it.
What kind of film does Rohit Shetty like?
I like all kind of films. I like a good film. It's not about genre. It's not about looking down upon any other genre of film. With Suryavanshi, I think Jai Bhim, one more film has released, and which is doing really well, and it is critically acclaimed also. I've not seen the film, but definitely I'll see the film, which is totally different from a Suryavanshi. And I know that I will like the film when I see the film. So for me, it's respect to the director, it's respect to the technicians, it's respect to the storyteller. It's not about genre. Like, it's not about when you are, we are a family.
Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, Ranveer Singh, date कैसे मिला रोहित? To get them together, हुआ कैसे
I
and what
think,
was it like?
I think the credit goes to Akshay. I must say, because Suryavanshi is Akshay's film, and then in the climax, letting Ajay come, and that same goes with Simba. For him giving the climax to Ajay in Simba, and same goes with Ajay also coming for a 10 days cameo. So I can't take the credit for it. The credit goes to Akshay first for Suryavanshi, that allowing let Simba come, let let Singham come, and let's have a Amar Akbar Anthony kind of an experience. Give the Amar Akbar Anthony kind of an experience to the audience in the last 20 minutes of the film. So first the credit goes to Akshay, and then obviously Ranveer is a big star, Ajay sir is a big star. They agreeing to do a cameo and taking this universe forward. And now on, I think it won't be कि किसका role कितना है, because you're coming to see that universe what we are trying to create. With Simba, we were a little bit scared कि tomorrow if it doesn't work, then a hit character, a lovable character, Singham will also go down with Simba. But it worked. And Ajay and Akshay come from a school where they have done two. Nowadays, these new kids, they don't do a two-hero film. They're quite insecure because I think because of their talent managers and nothing else. Because otherwise, I think, and I tell everyone, I tell Ranveer also, okay, you, Ranveer, Varun, they all should do films together, because it's not about only your branding. So it was easier for them. Ranveer had the faith that if I am coming in this universe, Rohit will present me well, because we have that tuning. This is like almost 3 films now we have done together, if I include Circus in this. So, and he played that character. He played that young boy. He did that masti, what Simba is supposed to do. So it was fun.
Okay, now coming to the film, there has been a few pointers that has been put out criticizing the film about the good Muslim and the bad Muslim concept. So in the film we have seen how Muslims have been portrayed in a good way as well as a bad way, okay? But it is seen to be problematic in a sense that
if I tell you one question, if I ask you one question, like Jaikant Shirke was a Hindu, Marathi. Then in this universe, second came where a Hindu godman was there. Then Simba Durva Ranade was a Maharashtrian again. In these 3 negative forces were Hindu. Why isn't a problem?
no, my problem is not that. It's just the way they have been portrayed. The
No,
good and the
I don't think so, because if there is a terrorist who's from Pakistan, what caste will he be? We are not talking about the caste, and it is very it changed my point of view of some journalists who I used to like them, that they are portraying, like I have seen in bracket somebody writing bad Muslims being preached by upper caste Hindus, which is very wrong. We never thought that way. I think this is very wrong, because there is a thought which goes in making a film. When your conscience is clear, we have not thought that way, then why are people talking about it? If we have a sleeper cell, we are talking about what caste the sleeper cell will be, and why a bad and a good person is been attached, is been linked to his caste, when we as a maker have never thought about it. Why few segments? And it's not. If it was wrong, everybody would have spoken about it. If it is not wrong and few people think, then it's their point of view which they need to change, not us.
Okay, the last thing is, police brutality. This has always been a question for you. I'm sure you have been asked this every time a film comes. So, we have seen this happening in our real life, and we have seen Suryavanshi, Simba always going through the path where they are doing things which are not supposed to be done by police, like an encounter. Okay, what do you have to say about the representation of cops in your films?
I don't think if I tell you that most of the sequences there is not a single encounter in Suryavanshi, if you see, but most of the arrest, most of the way they work, and it's not just that one day we got up and we thought कि हम sleeper cell लिख लेते हैं, हम ऐसा एक जगह बता देते हैं जहाँ से कोई किसी को arrest करके पुलिस फोर्स जाएगी, arrest करके आएगी, उनके साथ क्या हुआ. It's all because technically, if you see, it's become like police. This universe, whether it is Singham, Simba, or Suryavanshi, has become like a police brand now. So when we work and we do research on this, it is most of the incidents, I can't take the officers' names, are real.
Okay.
Except for the climax, it's a commercial climax where 3 people come and how it happens, what happens. But most of the arrest sequences, most of the people, what we have shown in the film, not exactly elaborated commercially what we have given them, the color, but most of the incidents are real, which no, which obviously they don't come out and publicize that, but it's not okay. Suddenly we have written some character about some villain staying somewhere or some character.
But isn't it normalizing police brutality? Is my question.
No, it's not. How can you say? You know, the problem is like we don't want to appreciate their good work. We don't want to appreciate what they are doing for the city or for any of their state. What they go through, what are their pressures. We never talk about them. There are times that we need, and I always have one answer to this or a question, whoever asks me this, कि police brutality के बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? I say, okay, let's do one thing. For one day, for 24 hours, just shut down the police headquarters. You dial 100 and there's no one to pick up the phone. Forget that. हमारा signal अगर orange हो जाता है और खराब हो जाता है, there is a jam. So we have to give. Good people, bad people are in the society everywhere, all over the world. Not only our country, everywhere. But not appreciating what they do is just that because every day they don't publicize कि आज हमने, like how we are publicizing, आज हमारा इतना business हुआ, कल हमारा इतना, every day's job they are not publicizing it. What they go through and what all they have done, you don't know. You know, if we shut down that headquarters, the city will be like a jungle.
And you know, it was recently reported that next Singham is going to be based from Kashmir and, you know, abolition.
Some 370 article,
हाँ.
मुझे ही नहीं मालूम.
नहीं पता इनको.
मैंने सडनली सुना कि अच्छा मेरी ये कहानी है, बिकॉज अब तो सर्कस है, सब एवरीबडी इज एक्साइटेड बिकॉज ऑफ सूर्यवंशी एंड दे हैव जंप्ड ऑन टू सिंघम.
Yeah.
सिंघम इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बिकॉज अजय सर हैज हिज ओन बैकलॉग. मैदान है, कितनी
Yeah,
और फिल्में,
yeah.
उनकी खुद की फिल्म
Yeah.
मेडे है, एंड वी आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग सिंघम बिफोर नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड शूटिंग. But I can understand the excitement of people after
Yeah.
watching Singham and after watching Suryavanshi, and I can, because, and I will just laugh that they all have forgotten in this that we have made a sweet, nice comedy circus, which will come first.
सब भूल गए.
So अभी हमको वो push करना है. We'll be shooting now. We are going on the 1st December to Ooty to shoot the last sketch of Circus. So that's a sweet film, and then Singham will come after one and a half year. So we still have time.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us and congratulations.
Thank you so
What's
much.
a blockbuster.
Thank you.